In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can auto-duck audio in DaVinci Resolve. Now, when you have a video in which you're talking and you want background music that's really silent when you're talking, but automatically gets a bit louder when you're not talking, so you have background music in your video, there is an option in DaVinci Resolve to auto-duck that audio. So I have my project here. First thing we're going to do is make sure we have the inspector selected. Now we're going to select, for example, this is my audio. If I now play it, designs in Canva, I'm going to use text watermark. As you can hear, the audio of my background music is way too loud when I'm talking. So I have this one selected here and I'm just going to click in this empty area here. Now you can see my inspector window changing and we get the option to activate Ducker. And by the way, this is all in the free DaVinci Resolve, so no need to have the paid version. And when you select Ducker, you can choose the duck level and the source. Now source here is audio 1 because that's where my talking audio is, and I'm going to really up that ducking level. And now I'm going to move a bit further here, so this is where I'm talking. And here you can type in what you want your watermark to be. And as you can see, each spot where he thinks there is some sound of my voice, it automatically ducks. But the parts where there isn't any sound of my voice, it's louder. So I'm going to cut this here. And then I'm going to lower the volume. So now you can hear the difference. So here I'm talking. Watermark to be. And it automatically ducks where I'm talking. And I can adjust how much it has to duck here as well. You also have the advanced option where you can create a look ahead, so that will look ahead of where I'm not talking and where I'm talking, the rise time, the hold, and the recovery. You can all play around with that to adjust your auto ducking in DaVinci Resolve. But it's really easy to have your background music automatically go lower in volume when you're talking and raise in volume where you're not talking. And that's just as easy as that to do in DaVinci Resolve. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.